My goal is to put somebody in that place, to have them be there and experience it as if they were actually there. Wherever their eye looks, that'll come into focus. And found myself driving a cab in New York City. So in 1984, I had an agency again. So I started sitting there and playing with this little thing called Mac Paint, and I played around, did a little box, everything was cool until I saw fat bits, which allowed me to zoom into the pixel level. And that's when I realized that this was it. This was the future, this was my medium. Now, every time that I painted, I pretty much painted for the screen because I would use colors that were so vibrant that they wouldn't print. I'm in the center of the painting where I'm taking a picture of my wife. My other position, I'm driving the cab on the far left side of the painting. I thought back of that hard year of mine, 1981, when I drove a cab. I looked at my hack license and using that as a reference, I painted myself as the driver in that cab. It's just a great reminder of where life can take you.